Hi everyone, hope you're doing well today. I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. This is another pre-order kit that I had purchased August 28th, shipped out October 28th, and received November 3rd. This is one that I had been wanting and absolutely love. It is a round drill, Chuck Pinson, the Sweet Life. Absolutely, in frame would be good. I absolutely love this covered bridge. It reminds me of New Hampshire. I am originally from there, so just a beautiful, beautiful image. Get her opened up here. This one is a 71 by 56 round drill with a bee. Oh, set the box down and kind of forgot about everything else. Come on out. Here we go. All right, so here is our little sticker that I use for cataloging. And we have the legend one. It's a beautiful image. Has the white church in the background, the bridge, and there is some Canadian geese in there, which is kind of funny. Oh, a little rowboat. Looks like an eagle flying up here. We'll see when we get to the bigger picture. You'll be able to see more of the little details, but it's really great. 46 colors. Looks like we only have one AB drill. We'll see. Here's our toolkit really quickly just to share with you guys. We have a blue single placer pen, bunch of baggies, favorite four placer skinny skinny four placer, 2 pieces of pink wax in a heart shape. We have our squishy and the clear boat. Ooh, do not lose the skinny four placer. I don't go through them that much, but as you go along, the edges do, the plastic is soft, so they do get moved, and you might want to replace them every now and then because they lose their shape. Nice. We have our wonderful velvet soft canvas. Oh, upside down. This is one of those ones where it's going to be hard to see what the image is when you're looking at it like this because of the colors, but I'm sure once it's done, it's going to be gorgeous. You have your instructions if you need them. 1 bag of drills, so I'll just put them to the side for now. The other part I love is the beautiful fall colors in this one. It's my favorite season, so I just love it. Canvas is a little frayed on the side here. It looks a little chewed up, but that's okay. That doesn't do anything. Can you guys see the sparkle? Let me show you the drill field while we're here. Lots of different symbols, but again, they're really clear. The glue is really glossy and thick, so it's great. Legend on both sides. Lots of colors, 46 colors. That is a lot. There's going to be a lot of confetti, obviously. You can see lots of confetti right here in the road. Beautiful. All right. Let's flip her over. Open up the drills. Don't mind the crinkling for a bit. Again, beautiful fall colors with this one. Let's start with the big ones here. Got some light gray, 3024, 987. I think that's like one of my favorite greens. Green. 414, 779. 3347, 413, 317, 938 321. That's a gorgeous pop of color. 3770. There's some 498 814, which is like cranberry. 434 318 986 3860 895 3861, and a beautiful 741 and 740. We have 433 3607, interesting pink. 415 327 833 3864 3023 647 3348 3350. We have some 165 742 322 312 841 3853 640 155 762 and 890. Then we have one bag of 3799, which is a dark gray. We have one bag of 310, our black, and then two bags of 3371, which is a dark brown. There's some 666. 435, and here's our AB, which is 133. It's a gorgeous orange color. AB is for Aurora Borealis, which is your rainbow coating that gives off some extra color and shine. So pretty. That one's really nice. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look and see where that is. I'm going to assume there's a lot there, so it's sprinkled throughout the entire canvas. It is the orange number 1 here. We have got, starting down here, there's some foliage that it is in. And then of course over here on this side, there's another tree with some foliage. There is some in the bridge. So highlighting the wood of the bridge, you've got ABs. And then sprinkled in the bushes again here. And then this tree that goes all the way up, these trees, all in here, you have AB. There's some right in the corner. Yeah, basically this section coming down, there's a little bit sprinkled, some on this roof, and then the side of our bridge and over here. That's going to be beautiful. Beautiful. So pretty. Hope you guys can see that. All right, so that is it. The Sweet Life. It's a pretty popular Chuck Pinson image. I'm sure a lot of you have seen people complete it before. I'll probably hang on to it till next fall to work on it. Just within the season, we'll see. So that is it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.